right, I'm going to be using the Happy Holiday stamp set, some of the Let It Snow pattern paper. I'm going to also be using the nesting frame dies. We're going to use the Believe Sentiment and one of the frame dies from that. And I'm also going to be using the stand-up pop-up card die. All right, so there are my images colored. I'm going to cut these out with my, my paper snips, and I'll be right back. All right, so there's all my images colored and cut out. I'm gonna move those to the side for a little bit, and I'm going to pull in my other pieces. We're gonna leave our sentiment in there for right now. These are the pieces that I need for the card base. All right, so I've got a card panel, a thick card panel for my background, and a piece of the Let It Snow pattern paper. I've got 4 of the little small half circles for the pop-up stand card and 2 of the large circles. And if you notice, each one has slits in them, some at the bottom, some at the top. So we are going to work on putting this together. I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. And set that to the side. All right, so we're going to take one of our large pieces. I'm going to pull in my little model here. And say I need one of the down pieces. Slide that in. They just slide right in the top. We need our other little down piece. And then our middle piece, which is the other large. Now our other piece will slide right in there. And we're just going to wiggle it into place. So it slides right in position. I am using super heavy cardstock. For this project, I think it's 130 pound cardstock, 120 pound cardstock. It's super heavy. It may even be 140, I don't remember. Just make sure everything's positioned right. Line this up. And I'm going to just cut little slits. And go a little bit further. It's going to be trial and error. All right, so there's my base. Santa and Mrs. Claus on there. And slide our little reindeer in. just going to put him right back there on the back. Piece this back together right here. Turn that down. Adjust right there. All right, we're going to add our sentiment now. So we're going to grab our reverse tweezers. And it helps if you put it on the right way. So we'll just flip that off. And we'll try this again. Helps if you have it on the right side of the die cut. All right, there's my little pop-up card. Standing pop-up card. I hope y'all give that a try. Remember, you can pick these products up on the Pixi Dust Designs website. I have all the links below. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Love you. Stay crafty.